Namaste, friends. I want to warn you about a possibility of a third wave of this pandemic. Now, astrologically, I foresee this to start in October 2021. And since I foresee this, I request each one of you to break the chain. Self quarantine if possible, don't step out of the house, maintain physical distance, even with your friends, neighbors, colleagues, etc., at least about 8 to 10 feet. Sanitize your hands regularly. Do Mahamrutyunjaya Japam 108 times daily and do Agni Homa weekly once. Now, Saturn becomes retrograde on May 22nd in Capricorn. At the same time, Mars is in Gemini, that means he aspects Sagittarius, Virgo, and Capricorn. Now, you will notice that Capricorn, Sagittarius, and Virgo, all these three key signs get activated. And that essentially means that the pandemic is going to continue, the second wave is going to continue. Now, Mars only moves to Cancer in June 3rd. That means till that time, Capricorn continues to be activated, and after that, Sagittarius is going to get activated. Now, what I foresee is the overall net positivity rate will slow down post June 3rd. But till June 3rd, that is from now till June 3rd, things are going to continue to stay bad. And I request each one of you to be careful. Now, post June 3rd doesn't mean that the coronavirus will go away. All I see is that overall net positivity rate will slow down. And if I have to take this ratio of ICU to recovery, that ratio would improve. By July 2021 is when the flattening of the curve will happen. Now, while the flattening of the curve happens, this is only for the second wave. October 2021 onwards, what happens is Jupiter retrogrades and goes back to Capricorn. Now, Mars, Mercury, and the Sun get activated in Virgo. Venus, Moon, and Ketu activate Scorpio. Sagittarius is getting activated by Mars, and Capricorn gets activated by Jupiter and Saturn. That means all the 9 planets affect this crucial mix of Sagittarius, Capricorn, Scorpio, and Virgo. When is this happening? October 2021. A third wave is imminent. I hope whatever I've told whatever I've predicted actually fails. I hope my prediction fails. But I have to warn each one of you. October and November will again be bad. So don't just ignore things and think that the entire pandemic is actually ending. There is going to be a third wave in October and November. Now, Jupiter moves back to Aquarius only in November. That means till November things are going to be bad. Now, as Jupiter moves back to Aquarius in November, what happens is while the number of cases will continue to be there, the mortality rate will definitely improve because Jupiter means Jiva, right? And he is going into Aquarius. That means the overall mortality rates will improve, but the viral load continues to increase. Only after April of 2022 will things improve and COVID can come into control. Until then, things are going to be there. So my sincere appeal to you is this. I foresee a third wave to happen in October and November. And I foresee this wave to continue to be bad till April of 2022. So my request to each one of you is stay home. Don't unnecessarily go there. Don't be a spreader. Don't be a carrier. If given an opportunity, go ahead and get vaccinated. Wear a double mask if possible. Make sure that you don't actually come in control with anybody. Today technology is there, so if you want to socialize with anybody, socialize via your video calls. Don't socialize physically. Don't meet people in person. Even if you have to meet people in person, make sure that you wear a double mask. Make sure that you maintain at least 8 to 10 feet of safe distance. I would like to end by asking each one of you to join me in doing two things. One, I want you to daily recite Mahamrutyunjaya Japam for 108 times. Pick any convenient uh, time of the day, but recite this 108 times. And then weekly do a Agni Homa. An Agni Homa can be done by yourself. You don't need any person to help you. You don't need any priest, etc., to guide you. These Agni Homas are available in YouTube. So Google it out, understand what Agni Homa is and how to perform it, and perform the Agni Homa. And do this Agni Homa once every week. I'm sorry I'm not being able to be regular on YouTube, but I thought this is a very important message to be shared. I sincerely hope that my prediction actually fails this time and there'll not be a third wave. But it's always good to be forewarned. Forewarned means forearmed. So stay home, stay indoors, don't spread the wave, break the chain. Namaste.